Hi, my name is Jesus, and this is my place to describe. Zacatlán de las Manzanas, lugar donde abunda el zacate. Zacatlán de las Manzanas is a charming and peaceful town in the mountains of Puebla, Mexico. It is well known for its tasty apples, fresh cheddar, and colorful murals. The town has a magical atmosphere, friendly people, and beautiful nature. Visitors enjoy the foggy mornings, delicious food, and traditional festivals. It is a perfect place to relax. What we did on the trip. Half a year ago, I visited Zacatlan with my family. We walked around the town and took pictures. Then we went to a craft soda factory and learning how they make natural drinks. While we were testing different flavors and started to rain, but we stayed inside. Later, we rested at the hotel and returned home the next day. Comparing with Puebla, Zacatlán is smaller than Puebla, but it is much more beautiful. Puebla is busier and more modern, while Zacatlán is quieter and more traditional. Both cities are equally interesting, but Zacatlán is far greener because of its nature. What else? Puebla has the large history center in the region, but Zacatlán has the most beautiful mountain views. Zacatlán is also much colder than Puebla. The people in both places are very friendly, but Zacatlán feels a bit more relaxed. Goodbye.